Subscribe, share. Ooh yeah, Creole Candy, baby, yeah. You taste it. Oh man, I'm so glad it's cheat day, baby. All right. So, real talk. As a man, be honest about mine. I mess up sometimes. I admit to my mistakes. I messed up. So I'm about to call Mama and see what she can tell me. See if I can put on speakerphone. Hey, Mama, how you doing today? Yeah. Look, I want to ask you about. No, I want to ask you. I have not talked to my brother. Look, I'm trying to ask you. I'm not raising my voice. Okay, Sean, now we're going to try this again. And I'm going to follow her directions. So get you a bowl of water, just room temperature. 2 cups of sugar. 1 can of condensed milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla, baby. Pecans, you're going to need about a cup. I'm going to do something with some walnuts. Oh, don't forget about that stick of butter, baby. And I'm doing a little dash of cinnamon. We're going to do a little something. So let's get cooking, shall we? All right, now, you're going to get that butter melting, the obvious, and put in all the ingredients. You're going to go ahead and throw all of them up in there. Not the water, though. That ain't for now. That's for later. All right, so you get that in there. When you get that going, you want to make sure you are ready to stay at that stove because you're going to just stir and stir and just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. What do you do with it? To stir you. Read, whatever you got to do, you better not leave the doggone pot. That's all I got to say. And when that gooiness start following that spoon around, this is how you check to make sure it's ready. You get that bowl of water. You want to take just a couple drops in there. If you can pick it up and roll it between your fingers, they call it that snowball. It's ready. You're going to add these nuts and stir that up. And when it get all good and thick, you can turn the heat down. You're going to make sure it fall off. Oh, look at that shit. You're going to make sure it fall off good like that. And you get your parchment paper. You're going to get that scoop now. You're going to put just a little bit. I'll say probably about half a cup. However big you want to make your cookies, your candy. What do they call them cookies? But we call them pecan candies. Pecan candies. You say pecan, not pecan. And look at that. Oh, man. Bon appetit. Oh, wow. I'm so glad it's a cheat day. I'm so glad. This is oh my God, this is so good.